Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use the ChatGPT Chrome extension. ChatGPT is an amazing tool that lets you quickly and easily ask any question you want to OpenAI's ChatBot. With this extension, you can access the ChatBot in just one click from any Chrome tab. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get started with the ChatGPT Chrome extension. We'll also give you some practical examples of how you can use it to ask questions and get answers. First, let's install the extension. To do this, visit the Chrome Web Store and search for ChatGPT Chrome. Once you've found the extension, click Add to Chrome and it will be added to your browser. Now that the extension is installed, you'll see an icon appear on your toolbar. Click on this icon to open the ChatBot window. Here you can start asking questions. You can also copy information from any website and paste it into the ChatBot's input box. This is great if you want to get more information about a particular topic, and it makes it simple to look up information and get answers quickly. The extension also has a handy sidebar that allows you to access previous chats and other features. Finally, you can copy the results from the chat into your favorite search engine, tweet, or blog. This makes it easy to put together tweets, blogs, or research papers in no time. So that's how to use the ChatGPT Chrome extension. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now ready to start using the extension to ask questions and get answers with ChatGPT in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.